back to my channel. Ay, channel! Ano ba yan? Yes, ma-check din ang tawag na. Wow, hotel room. Ay, nakadlo kami sa match ni Bob. Yes! Hi guys, Jubilea in the house. Hey guys, so ari dito sa buong sa Leisure Garden Resort. Kag diri kita sa Andamon Hotel, room 306. Kag room tour kita. Tara, oras na. Oh my God, may tao ron. Pakita ko tao. Wow, hello.
Oh, tapos na.
Welcome. So, ari, ginbola mo ng biggest room. Wow, good for 6. And 6 members. 6 katao ang pwede ka sleep diri. So, 3,000 lamang. Yo, pakita ang bed. 3 beds. May Jowa Bells ba? Yes. Nag-deal kami, guys. Hi, nakitaan.
This is my son, Leonard.
Hello. What can you say about the room?
It's very nice and comfortable.
Yeah.
Lots of people can go inside.
Ewa. Kaya nga, good ang good. Bala no. Ganito ka bala. Pwede na ako dito sa isa.
哎呦我的妈！
Wow. May bathtub. Talaga naman. Mga tutal, mga tita.
Tira ko mamaya. Tapos, dito, may kitchen. Yan, ito.
Yes.
Pakita mo.
Meron silang shampoo, conditioner ng mga free kits. Guest kit. Pero nagbit-bit pa rin ako ng extra kasi baka hindi kasha. Dito kasha sa akin.
Ano ba yan? So, palit-lit!
Kasi kung yung wala tas may teres. Kita niyo guys.
Ay, kuy!
Wow, look at this. May jersey.
Ano yan?
Dire, pinito tambay-tambay, may lamisa, basa galing. Kaya ganda, mapinta, di guys.
Tignan natin, guys. Pag nalaglag yung cellphone, yari tayo.
Sila?
Sila.
Hi guys! Hi! Hi, ano yan? Hi! Hi! Hi!
Okay na.
Guys, ari ang mga, ano dyan ang mga early birds. Pakilala, most punctual. Yes, Jubilea. Jubilea, kasulod, gagawin na
Oh, ay.
Payo na, pati mo din. Wow! Yeah. Ikaw ang ka volleyball ka? Number 11.
Hi, I'm Atelutis. I'm number 12, the libero in the blue.
Yeah! Hi, ano ang bago man ako? Ito ang spiker, sampang na. Wow! Makita niyo, git ko gaamo. Sa tunga. Dahil what?
哎呦我的妈！
So, ang bago to, yasa ka na is kagandahan. Tapos, siyempre ako nag-organize sa event ko to. Yun na yun. Away ka mo event ko mo na yun. Uy, roto na ako pakaisa to. Hi guys! Arito ng atong mga Amegas. Yeah, pakilala. I-vlog. Hi guys! Hi guys! Wow! Sino pa yung pakilala ko, nanay? Name! Hi! My name is... Vlog! I-vlog ko na. Yung vlog ko dyan. So, ari kita sa second room, sa room 308. Dire ang atong mga imaw sa volleyball. Ari ang kanda. Hello! Here at the Leisure Resort. Open gate ba? Uy! Sino rin? Wow! Angelica! Nahoya! Talaga
Excited ka na? Yes. Are you excited? Yes. Naglangoy ra ako nga pa kaisa. Wow!
Amo na outfit ni Manang, kasanto na naman yan. Mga isda nahuli sa Karagandan. Bak! Wala ko tamo.
Wow! Bongga! Ay, bongga. Okay. Ay, kakapal. I-vlog ko na sa'yo. Wow! Bongga! Pakilala.
Thank you. Thank you, Doc Ati. Support sa akin.
Wow! Nami ang food. Yes. Nami. Pero ako, galit na pagkaon. Diyos ko, ano na kaubos?
Mga kabataan. Dito mo kabataan.
Yeah. Vlog ulit. Hi. Sino na yun? Pakilala ka? Vlog ko dyan? Okay. Ano rin update, guys? Wow.
Ari, wala pa nabato.
Bongga. Dapat ang muli ng ube. Daragay pala. Hindi. Ah! Ay, ang laki ng likod ni Grill.
Ay, sino kaya binibidyo nito?
Wait lang! Oh. Hey, Baldo! Baldo! Oh, Baldo! Baldo!
Dila ibang nagbayad ka room. And
Dami mama ko dyan. Nang time check. Time check. 8. May guwapa po. 8:50. High block. Yes. Go. Mag-good night ng mga person. Okay. Hi ka naman. Holding naman. Grabe ito, logro sila. Hi guys, for the good night. Ay, abi ko ma-shot pa ka mo. 11:02 na ng gabi.
This journey has been one of the most unforgettable chapters of our lives. Representing District 2, Segundo Distrito in volleyball wasn't just about winning games. It was about teamwork, friendship, and heart. Every spike, every serve, every cheer, it all carried our passion, our effort, and our love for the game. We fought hard, we believed in each other, and we gave everything we had. Finishing as second runner-up means so much to us because behind the title are the long practices, the laughter, the challenges, and the moments that made us stronger together. To our teammates, thank you for your dedication and your heart in every match. To our coaches and supporters, thank you for guiding us and believing in what we can do. And from the bottom of our heart, we want to thank Congresswoman Doc Catherine Goriseta and our Liga President Cap Amelia Dibuque for their endless support and encouragement. Because of you, we were able to represent our district with pride and passion. Your leadership inspired us to play, not just for ourselves, but for everyone in our community. This journey reminded us that victory isn't only found in trophies. It's found in friendship, growth, and the memories we've made along the way. We may not have taken the championship, but we've won something even greater. A family, a story, and a bond that will last forever. Thank you, District 2, for believing in us. Let's continue to play with heart, with pride, and with a grateful soul.